Remember those early chatbots? The ones that sounded like they were programmed by a team of squirrels on typewriters? Your issue is very important to us. Please hold for the next available Robot Overlord. Those were the days. We laughed. We cried, mostly from frustration. We learned to appreciate the simple joy of human interaction. But hey, at least they tried. Those clunky bots, bless their digital hearts, were the pioneers of a revolution that would eventually bring us talking robots that actually made some sense. It was a long and winding road, paved with awkward conversations and the occasional existential crisis. Are we really this bad at making robots? But like any good underdog story, there's a happy ending, or at least a much improved present. You've got mail. Come from a bot NLP to the rescue. Enter stage left. Natural language processing, NLP, the fairy godmother of chatbot evolution. Suddenly, chatbots went from sounding like confused toddlers to semi-articulate teenagers. They could understand context, decipher slang sometimes, and even crack a joke or two with varying degrees of success. NLP gave chatbots the power to comprehend and respond to human language in a way that was, dare we say, almost natural. It was the breakthrough we'd all been waiting for. The robots were learning. And we, the unsuspecting public, were about to become their eager students. Here's the thing about social media, it never sleeps. But you, my friend, need to rest sometime. That's where chatbots come in. Your tireless digital workforce, always ready to engage with customers, answer questions, and even close deals, all while you're catching some Z's. Imagine this. A potential customer stumbles upon your Facebook page at 3 a.m, burning with questions about your product. Who's there to greet them? Your trusty chatbot, of course, armed with all the information they could possibly need. No more waiting for business hours. No more missed opportunities. Just instant gratification, served up with a side of artificial intelligence. Let's get down to brass tacks, shall we? What can chatbots actually for your business? Picture this. You're a digital marketer drowning in a sea of leads. Your chatbot swoops in, qualifying leads like a pro, segmenting your audience, and even nurturing them with personalized content. Or maybe you're a real estate agent, juggling dozens of clients and properties. Your chatbot steps up, scheduling showings, answering FAQs, and even sending out property updates, all while you're busy closing deals. The possibilities are endless, and the best part? Chatbots are constantly learning and evolving, becoming more sophisticated and effective with each interaction. Section 5. Facebook, Instagram, or WhatsApp. Picking your chatbot champion. Not all chatbots are created equal. Just like you wouldn't wear a tuxedo to a pool party, you wouldn't use the same chatbot for every social media platform. Facebook Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp. They all have different vibes, different audiences, different expectations. Choosing the right chatbot for the right platform is crucial. Do your research, know your audience, and don't be afraid to experiment. Section 6. Personality goes a long way. User-friendly design and brand voice. A chatbot without personality is like a party without music. Technically functional, but not exactly a good time. When designing your chatbot, think about your brand voice. Are you playful and humorous, or professional and to the point? Your chatbot should be an extension of your brand, reflecting your values and resonating with your target audience. And don't forget about user experience. A user-friendly interface, clear navigation, and concise, engaging language are essential for creating a positive and memorable chatbot experience. Section 7. Chatbot Report. Card KPIs and why they matter. So, your chatbot is up and running. Now what? How do you know if it's actually doing its job? Enter Key Performance Indicators, KPIs, the metrics that measure chatbot success. Think of it like a chatbot report card. Are they getting good grades in engagement, likes, comments, shares? How about lead generation, customer satisfaction? Tracking these KPIs will help you understand what's working, what's not, and how you can optimize your chatbot for maximum impact. Section 8. Chatbot Glitches. When AI gets a little too artificial. Let's be real, even the most advanced chatbots have their moments. Those times when the AI goes a little wonky and the conversation takes a turn for the bizarre. Maybe your chatbot gets stuck in a loop, repeating the same phrase ad nauseum. Or perhaps it misinterprets a question and delivers a hilariously inappropriate response. These glitches are inevitable, but instead of getting frustrated, embrace them. They're a reminder that even in the age of AI, we're still human, and sometimes a little bit of human error can be the perfect recipe for a good laugh. Section 9. The Future of Chatbots. A brave new world of connection. The world of chatbots is constantly evolving, driven by advancements in AI, machine learning, and natural language processing. Imagine a future where chatbots are indistinguishable from humans, capable of holding complex conversations, understanding emotions, and building meaningful relationships. This may sound like science fiction, but it's closer than you think. As technology continues to advance, the possibilities for chatbots are limitless. And as marketers, it's our responsibility to stay ahead of the curve, embracing innovation and adapting to the ever-changing digital landscape. The future of marketing is conversational, personalized, and driven by AI. The question is, are you ready to join the conversation?